how to buy Pikachu token. So this token came under the symbol of beginning Pikachu. So now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, another thing is also there is a referral code down in the description. So you can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. And as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created, as you can see, just 4 hours ago and increased by 300% in less than 4 hours. Now, this token is trending number 2 right now in the screener. Now, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just click here to copy the token address. And as you can see, this token is under the Solana token. Now, for that, what you need to do, just click on the Phantom wallet here. And now I will just log in from my wallet like that. So just log in. So as you can see here, guys, so after that, what you need to do, just click here on swap. Now from the top, make sure to select the Solana token. Now here, just click and type the token address in the search bar. As you can see, this also cannot click on it. And now here you can type how much you want to buy, as you can see. So here you will be able to see how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, click here on swap, and you will be able to redirect you to OKX or Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy Pikachu token. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.